If you work with documents in LibreOffice Writer, protecting a section can save you from accidental edits and keep important content locked exactly the way you want it. In this video, I'll show you how to protect a section in LibreOffice Writer step by step, so you can secure specific parts of your document without locking the entire file. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's get started. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, you can use that one instead. This works great if you only want to protect one part of a larger document while still being able to edit the rest normally. Once your document is open, find the section you want to protect. Click inside that section so LibreOffice knows exactly which part you're working with. This step is important because the protection applies to the selected section, not the entire document. Next, go up to the top menu and click Format, then choose Sections. This opens the section settings where you can manage protection options and other section properties. If you don't see the section settings right away, make sure your cursor is actually inside the section you want to lock. Now select the section from the list. If your document contains more than one section, be careful to choose the correct one. After selecting it, look for the Protect option and enable it. This tells LibreOffice to prevent changes to that section unless the correct password is entered. If you want an extra layer of security, enter a password when prompted. Adding a password is a smart choice if you want to make sure nobody can remove the protection or edit the content without permission. Make sure to choose the password you'll remember, because if you forget it, you may have trouble making changes later. After that, click OK to save the settings. LibreOffice will apply the protection immediately, and the section will now be locked from editing. You can continue working on the rest of your document as usual, but the protected section will stay safe from accidental changes. This is especially useful for shared documents, templates, reports, forms, or any file where certain text needs to remain unchanged. It's a quick way to keep your important content secure while still keeping the document flexible. If you ever need to remove the protection later, you can go back to Format and Sections again. Select the protected section and change the settings as needed. Just remember that if a password was used, you'll need it to unlock the section. So that's how to protect a section in LibreOffice Writer in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.